Have you ever wondered why some people in our community struggle to afford basic needs while others live in luxury? Why do some schools have modern facilities while others lack even the most basic resources? The truth is, our society is shaped by inequality. And if we want real change, we must first acknowledge this reality. Good day, I am Terence I Resurrection, and I stand before you today not just as a student, but as a voice for a better and fairer future. I believe that conflict theory is a key to redesigning our community, addressing deep rooted inequalities and ensuring that every individual, regardless of every background, has equal opportunities to succeed. What is conflict theory? Conflict theory explains that society is built on power struggles between different groups, with the privileged maintaining control while the disadvantaged struggle for resources and opportunities. It challenges the idea that society is naturally fair and instead reveals how systems or education, healthcare, employment are designed to benefit a select few. So, how do we connect community challenges on conflict theory? Look around our community. Many families struggle with poverty, while a small group enjoys financial security, and some schools receive better funding than others, leaving many students behind. Access to quality healthcare and housing is often determined by wealth. These inequalities don't happen by accident. They are the result of a system that benefits the powerful while keeping the others in hardship. To redesign our community, we must challenge these unfair systems and create real, lasting change. So, how do we do that? First is an equal access to education. Schools should receive equal funding regardless of the location. Provide scholarships and resources for low income students. And eliminate discrimination in learning opportunities. Second is fair wages and job opportunities. Implement livable wages to reduce poverty. Stop workplace discrimination based on gender, race, and social status. And support small businesses to create more jobs. And three, affordable healthcare and housing. Strengthen public healthcare systems so everyone has access to medical services. Create affordable housing programs to help struggling families and ensure that basic needs are a right and not a privilege. By focusing on fairness and justice, we can bridge the gap between rich and poor, ensuring that everyone, not just the privileged, has a chance to succeed. And why conflict theory is the best approach, unlike any other theories that focus on maintaining order. Because conflict theory acknowledges the inequalities that prevent progress. And structural functionalism says that society functions when all parts work together. But how can we work together when resources are not fairly shared? Diba? Na- So, in symbolic interactionism focuses on personal interactions, but small social changes are not enough to fix large-scale inequalities. Then, conflict theory challenges power structures and demand change, making it the best framework for building a fairer and more just community. If we truly want to redesign our community, we must stop ignoring the gaps between the privileged and the struggling. Moreover, conflict theory helps us identify injustices and take actions toward fairness and inequality. It's time for us to stand together, speak up, and demand change. Together, let's work towards a future where every child has an access to quality education, every worker is paid fairly, and every family has a home and healthcare. Together, we can build a community that serves everyone and not just the privileged few. This is Terence I Resurrection. Thank you for listening my speech.